In this video, I'm going to show you how to save PDF in Xodo. Now, there's actually two ways you can do this. I'm going to show you both. If you're simply trying to save a document you're currently editing and you've opened it up from your computer already and you have it saved on your computer, you just kind of want to save the new changes, you can go and click up top left over here where it says save. So just click on that. Or you could also basically use your keyboard and then press Ctrl+S on your keyboard. And it, of course, I'm on a free trial over here of this software. So it says that I basically have to save with a watermark, but if you're not, if you actually have Xodo, you just of course will be able to save, and that's going to save itself. Okay, so it's going to do it automatically without any pop-ups. However, if you want to save as, so for example, if you want to save like a copy of this document somewhere else, you could go and click on save as up top left over here, and then just select the destination. You can change the name. So for example, I'm just going to name this saved 123. I'm going to save it inside my downloads folder. Click on save. And there we go. As you can see, I've successfully saved my PDF. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.